and don't know where to invest it? In the next 15 minutes, I'll show you 7 ways that can more than double your money from 2026 to 2030, all beginner friendly. Watch till the end because the #1 way surprises everyone. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to your channel name where we talk about personal finance and investing. In today's video, we're discussing how to smartly invest $50,000 in 2026. Do you have 50? Disclaimer: this is not financial advice, only for educational purposes. Consult your financial advisor. I'm your name. I've been investing for the past 5 years and grew my $10 to $80. First and safest way, high-yield savings accounts. In 2026, interest rates could be 4 to 5.5%. Use accounts like Ally Bank or SoFi. Keep 10-20% of your $50,000 here for an emergency fund. Next, let's consider dollar cost average. Tip 2, index funds and ETFs. The second best option is index funds. Put money in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO. Over the last 10 years, it has averaged a 12% annual return. Imagine, investing $50,000 could grow to around $150,000 plus in 10 years. Tip 6, crypto, only 5 to 10%. If you can take risk, put 5 to 10% in crypto. Bitcoin ETFs are now approved, very easy, but be careful. Tip 7, the best one, diversified portfolio, #1. Mixed 80% stocks, 20% bonds, 10% real estate, 10% crypto. This will grow your money fast while keeping risk low. So friends, these were the 7 best ways. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. 401k. If you're in the USA, definitely open a Roth IRA. 2026 limit will be $7,000, but put part of your $50K here. Tax-free growth. Tip 4, real estate, REITs or crowdfunding. Want real estate without buying a house? Use REITs or platforms like Fundrise. 8 to 12% annual returns possible. Tip 5, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks, ones that pay you every year. 50K can give $2,000 to $3,000 annual passive income at the start. To your channel name where we talk about personal finance and investing. In today's video, we're discussing how to smartly invest $50,000 in 2026.